episode of Cooking with Jay Simkowitz. Today I am making pasta with hot dogs, but in a more creative way that I've done in the past, but I've never actually shown you or even uploaded it on YouTube. So to create this, you're gonna need your pasta sauce that you've made from scratch. You're gonna need your pasta. We're using gluten-free pasta because my mother can't have regular pasta, but she can eat the gluten-free. And we're gonna have hot dogs. Even though there is wheat in them, she's gonna eat them for this time. Before you start adding these together, you wanna put your water on in the pot and you wanna start it going on high. So now this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna take your pasta and you're gonna stick it right through the hot dog. This is fun to do because you and your kids can do this together. And they will have a blast doing it. I know that it's fun because I did it with my nephews when I was married once upon a time, and we had a lot of fun. So what you do with the broken ones is you just add them into the pasta when you're done. Best way to put it. Because you want to be able to use them later. Because you don't want to waste pasta. You want to keep using it. So that's what you're going to do. You're just going to keep going. You're going to put about 5 of these in there. So you see I got 3 so far. And you put 1 on each side, so like 1 in each corner, which make 4. And then 1 right in the middle. So you see, you got 5 of them. And that's it. Your water's boiling and you've already created the hot dogs with the spaghetti in them. You're going to add them in here. You're going to take them and dump them in without trying to break them. Fortunately, I've broken some of them. But you want to do your best not to break them at all. Just going to let them soak themselves in there. So sometimes they might not want to go in. As you can tell, they're not fully going in yet. So you want to kind of push them in a little bit so that they get nice and soft so that they can just fall right in by themselves. If you feel like there's not enough pasta in there, then you can just throw some in. Like that. Just throw it in. Push it down a little bit and let it go. Now that the timer's gone off and your pasta is done, as you can see, you got to strain it out. So that's what you're going to do. You're going to strain it out and then you're going to dump it back into the pot. Now that you got your pasta there, you're going to dump in your lovely pasta sauce. Sometimes it might run on the side. You gotta be careful with that. Now what you're gonna do is mix this all together. Now you're gonna dump it onto your plate. Doesn't have to be fancy. Just dump it on. And there you go. So I hope you enjoyed watching me, Jay Simkowitz, make pasta with hot dogs that your kids will love making with you because it is fun and they get to put the pasta inside the hot dogs and you get to cut up the hot dogs, of course, as your kids can't use a knife. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe below, click the little red subscribe button and the little bell so you get the notification every time I upload a new video, which is 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Please watch it accordingly to that time. And also, hit that thumbs up. Squash it, smash it, high five it, do whatever you have to. Just hit it. Also, comment below. If there's something you want me to do, please comment below. And also, share this with your friends, family, and all your social medias. And remember, You guys are awesome. You're amazing. You're one of a kind. You're beautiful. And thank you for being part of Cooking with Jay Simkovich and Jay Squad. And please remember, the most important thing is be happy.